I honestly didn't know that people still lined up for phones. I thought you just ordered them online and boom, you were good.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
Apparently it's iPhone 16 day. Who knew? Let's go take a quick look. So, iPhone 16, huh? This is a very nice pink. It's extremely light. You know what? My camera is not doing this pink any justice whatsoever. It is a lot more bright than it's looking here. This is the Plus, I guess. Size-wise, you know, it's a pretty decent size difference. The Plus is actually pretty big. Now, here are the pros. Can't say I care about this color. Even this little ring around the camera. I don't know if, I mean, was that done on purpose? Is that part of like a security thing? It just looks weird, this raised lip or bump around the camera lenses. Well, at least the color looks right through this, through the camera here. And the Pro Max. Let's check out some other colors. I don't know, man. Something just seems wrong with this plastic bump around the camera. It bothers me. Like, I don't know. But this is the white, or ivory, I guess. And then the big size. I can honestly say, this is probably the first iPhone I would happily throw a case on. This bump is and the colors, I mean, the black and the pink so far stand out the most. And I'm not a fan of black phones, so that should tell you something. Over here, this is actually a green, but from my lens, it looks more like a blue. I don't know what's going on with the Ultra today. It's just not getting these colors right at all. But this is a green. It actually right next to the pink. I think pink so far is the number one. This green is number 2, and the black is number 3. I'm not even going to. And here we have a darker blue, almost lavender. If I was to get one, it would probably be this one. It's the closest to purple that they have. And note how with this one, the bump is darker than the body. I think that might be a non-pro thing, but the pink has the same thing. You gotta like the way Siri and Apple AI go together. That ring around the frame of the screen looks really nice. But these are them, the new iPhone 16s. They still sell the SE and the 14s and the 15s if you're so inclined to not get the newest device. All right, here's the new Apple Watch Series 10.
You can answer any questions you have about the watch, but the iPad's smarter than I am, so it answers most of your questions. regarding pricing, difference of features between the three.
I honestly don't see the difference, but then again, I don't wear my Apple Watch much.
These are just displays.
I think maybe it's
If you want to
just
try them on,
thinner.
Yeah, you said someone will come see us.
I'm not particularly moved.
More about how you try them on.
I can't lie, I like this one here. I think that's like a rose gold with the purple band. This one speaks to me. Here, Watch Ultra 2. Meh. It's not the worst. I do like this band though. Whereas the watch itself doesn't really, you know, grab my attention. It's not something I would actively go out and try and get. Some of these band and frame options do speak to me. Like again, I say this guy here. That is beautiful. Here it is again. Yeah, I think it's this gold, rose gold with the purple that just gets to me. Oh, look at this guy here.
Yeah, we do have the glass.
This is actual gold with a soft touch purple band. Almost as soft as the Pixel Watch band that I love so much. Yeah, very nice. So this is their wall of audio products. I haven't looked at this stuff in forever. I stopped caring a long time ago. But they do have a purple AirPod Max. A gold, meh. An orange, kind of nice. The purple is calling to me. The blue, can't go wrong with blue. And of course black for the everyday man. But that purple. That might even match my iPhone 14 Pro. This is the purple one, people. More lavender than purple, not as dark as my iPhone 14 Pro, but it is purple headphones. The one color I can say I probably don't have. So tempting. Here's the one change, USB-C. I mean, it's a big change, you know, one cord to rule them all, but still no power button to turn it off when you want. And for what I understand, it's still the same crappy case. But it is purple. New iPads. Oh, that is nice. This one is a kind of lavender. Apple is trying to get me. They're trying hard. And the Max is actually a pretty good size. I'm not mad at those. Of course, we had the other Apple devices, iPad with their trackpads and MacBooks and Vision Pros. Everything you expect to see at an Apple store. It was a nice little experience going in there and getting first-hand look and hands-on time with these new devices. As always, Apple doesn't disappoint. It might be a little boring, but overall, a pretty good showing for 2024. With that said, my name is NG, the Neon X, and yeah, playing around with the new Apple devices. This is WHATIMINX2.